So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you recently Snapchat keep crashing on iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of Snapchat users also reported to yesterday's Snapchat update after keep crashing on iPhone and iPad. So guys, few hours ago already Snapchat support team tweet on Twitter, we aware to issue with the latest versions of the Snapchat available in the App Store. Also we are looking into it and working on the fix. So guys, sometime ago second tweet from the Snapchat support team. So guys, second tweet is the issue has been resolved. If you are still having troubling, please manually update your Snapchat app from the App Store. So guys, lot of Snapchat users also Snapchat update from the App Store but still not fixing problem on Snapchat in iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, you can easily fix your problems on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, simple step follow and you can easily Snapchat crashing issue fix on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, Snapchat app, press and hold and automatically you can see also remove app option. So guys, simply tap on that and delete app from your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Now again come back in home screens and open the App Store. In App Store you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat. In Snapchat you can see also again reinstall the Snapchat app in your iPhone and iPad and you can easily fix your crashing issue on iPhone and iPad. So guys, sometimes without deleting app automatically update your Snapchat app but still not working on iPhone and iPad. So guys, simply uninstall the app and again reinstall the Snapchat app in your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please comment on this video comment section and also DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.